When you wake up in the morning, the first thoughts you allow into your mind set the rhythm for the entire day. Most people wake up with worry, with stress, with complaints. They reach for the phone, they scroll, they compare themselves to others before they even take their first breath of gratitude. And then they wonder why the day feels heavy, why opportunities slip through their fingers, why they feel stuck even before the day has truly begun. The truth is simple. The words you speak to yourself every morning are not just words, they are seeds. Seeds that grow into actions, into energy, into the way you see the world. If you start your morning by telling yourself weakness, you will carry weakness. But if you start with strength, with intention, with clarity, you build the foundation of power that no circumstance can shake. So today, I will share with you 7 powerful things to tell yourself every morning. 7 reminders, 7 truths that will not just motivate you, but reprogram your mind to stand strong, calm, and focused. Speak these words into your life and you will notice the difference. Not someday, but today. Most men wake up and immediately give their power away. The phone dictates their first thought. Emails dictate their stress. News dictates their mood. But the truth is, you are not a slave to your mind. You are its master. When you begin the day by saying, I am in control of my mind, you remind yourself that thoughts are not rulers. They are servants. Worry will come, but you don't have to obey it. Doubt will appear, but you don't have to follow. Temptation will whisper, but you don't have to listen. This declaration is powerful because it separates who you truly are from the endless stream of thoughts. You are not the storm. You are the sky holding the storm. And when you remember that, you stop reacting, you start responding. In Shaolin teaching, this is called the gate of the mind. If the gate is weak, every intruder walks in. But if the gate is strong, only what you choose may enter. Start each morning by strengthening your gate. Say it. I am in control of my mind, and carry that mastery through your day. Desire is endless. Comfort is seductive. Every morning you will feel the pull. Stay in bed a little longer, skip the workout, delay the hard work. But if you allow desire to rule, you will never reach your potential. This is why the second declaration is vital, and my discipline is stronger than my desires. Discipline is the bridge between who you are and who you want to be. Desire says, I want. Discipline says, I will. Desire is impatient. Discipline is steady. Desire is selfish. Discipline is purposeful. Every morning, you must remind yourself, your strength is not measured by what you feel like doing, but by what you commit to doing. The monk who meditates in the cold, the athlete who trains in the rain, the man who studies while others sleep, these are men who build unshakable inner strength. Say it until it becomes your identity. My discipline is stronger than my desires, and then prove it with action. Most people fear pain. They avoid it. They numb it. But pain is inevitable, and running from it only makes it stronger. Every morning, tell yourself, pain is my teacher, not my enemy. This mindset transforms everything. The pain of waking early becomes training for resilience. The pain of rejection becomes wisdom. The pain of failure becomes strength. Shaolin monks do not curse pain. They welcome it as a mirror, because pain reveals where you are weak. And when you see it clearly, you know where to grow. If you stop running from pain and instead ask, what is this trying to teach me? You turn suffering into power. Start your day with this truth, and you will stop fearing the obstacles ahead. Blame is easy. Blame the economy. Blame the government. Blame women. Blame luck. But blame is poison. It weakens you. Each morning, stand before yourself and say, I am responsible for my life. This is not punishment. This is liberation. Because if you are the reason for your weakness, you can also be the reason for your strength. Responsibility is the mark of true masculinity. A man who takes responsibility does not wait for rescue. He builds, he protects, he decides. And because he takes responsibility, he earns respect. When you tell yourself this every morning, you stop waiting for life to change. You start changing it yourself. Gratitude is not weakness, it is strength. A man without gratitude is never satisfied. No matter what he achieves, it feels empty. Every morning before you reach for the phone, say it. I am grateful for today, not for yesterday, not for tomorrow, for today, for the breath in your lungs, for the strength in your body. Empty. for another chance to fight, to love, to live. Gratitude shifts your energy. It replaces complaint with clarity. It makes you see opportunities where others only see problems. And when a man is grateful, his presence inspires others. Start the day with gratitude, and you will carry light even into the darkest hours. Progress is invisible. You rarely notice it day by day. That is why so many men give up. They cannot see the result. But strength is built slowly, like a mountain rising grain by grain. Tell yourself each morning, I am becoming stronger every day. This keeps you moving forward, even when progress feels hidden. When you embrace this truth, you stop comparing yourself to others. You compete only with yesterday's version of yourself. And that is how true growth happens. Consistent, steady, unstoppable. Every rep, every page, every effort adds up. Say it daily. Believe it. Live it. Live it. The world will test you. Storms will come. People will betray you. Plans will collapse. But if your inner strength is solid, nothing can break you. Every morning, plant this seed. I am unshakable. This does not mean you feel nothing. It means you bend but do not break. It means you adapt without losing yourself. It means no matter what life throws at you, your core remains steady. This is the essence of Shaolin strength, to be soft on the outside but indestructible within. Say it, believe it, carry it, and watch the world shift around you. These are 7 truths, 7 weapons, 7 reminders that can reshape your life if you speak them with conviction every morning. The words you repeat become the life you live. Choose them wisely, speak them boldly, live them fully. If this message reached you, then let it reach someone else too. Like this video. Comment the declaration that spoke to you the most. Share it with a brother who needs strength. And subscribe, because this journey is not about motivation. It is about transformation.